What? How did y'all get in my refrigerator? Come on, dude. What's up, dudes? Welcome back to another video. I just thought that'd be funny. Who else leaves their random stuff in the refrigerator? Oh wait, nobody does. I just thought that'd be a funny way to open the video. Okay, so today's video is gonna be rather exciting. I've had this box sitting in my garage. Many of you guys know what it is, but I'm not gonna tell you what it is because you're gonna have to watch and see what it is. But trust me, you already know what it is. So, it's been killing me. It's been sitting in my garage for like a week, but the garage is still filthy from getting unpacked. So, as you can still see, it's a clutter, still a mess, still getting everything rearranged. So, yeah, until then, we're gonna finish today's video, or we're gonna film today's video in the house. So, without further ado, let me put you guys up on the camera stand and let's get to unboxing this package that I've been waiting to open for so long. It's been killing me. Let's go! I'm actually filming this on a Tuesday night, gonna get it edited and put out for you guys so I can make sure you guys have a video coming tomorrow on Wednesday. So, yep, let's get to this unboxing. Good old Smith & Wesson's never let me down. Come on, dude. Focus. All right. Now focus on the box. Focus, focus. I wonder why it's having such a hard time focusing. Come on. Come on, man. I don't like this. Oh, buddy. Let me let you in on a little secret. Yeah, check that out. Check that out. Size does matter. So guess where I got my exhaust from? Yeah! Alright, let's do this without making a freaking entire mess in here. Hopefully the camera is still focused on you guys. Oh yeah. Yep, you didn't already know? Check it out. This is probably one of my favorite parts of this exhaust right here. Oh yeah. Let me take you guys off the tripod so you can see this bad boy. That is by far my favorite part of this exhaust, the nice titanium burnt tips. I specifically asked for that and they delivered. So let's go ahead and take this part out and we'll get to unboxing the rest of the actual pieces that came with the exhaust. It's like you don't want to put your fingertips on it because it's going to be so shiny. Like a baby's hiney. Alright, let's go ahead and lay this out. Look at that. Alright. If you don't have a Yeti for a second coffee table, are you actually living? I don't want to touch that. Let's flip this thing over. Oh yeah. Get a good look at that. God, that looks so good. Cannot wait to get this exhaust on. Okay, other section. Pretty sure this one goes down pipe, front pipe combo. Yep, sure does. That was one of the main reasons why I couldn't do the thermal R&D exhaust, was because of this. They didn't have this piece for their exhaust. Hey, comment down below if you thought I was getting the thermal. I know a lot of you guessed it, and it was so hard for me to keep it a secret, but yeah, how could I not get the thermal? Or I mean, excuse me, not the thermal, in MAPerformance. Oh my God, I cannot wait to get her in the car. Bad boy. All right, so there's the entire kit that's out. Okay, my favorite part, obviously. And then the rest of the actual setup. Got a nice little muffler on it. So, like I said, cannot wait to see how this thing sounds. I cannot wait to make this thing sound so much better and a lot less rice. So, if you didn't know, some of you guessed it right. So, big shout out to MAPerformance. I'm super excited to get this kit on. And then, of course, these are just going to be the flanges. No need to unbox that. But yeah, that's what's going to come. Now, the fun part is, how am I going to take a thumbnail with that? I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. But yeah, comment down below if you're excited to see me get this exhaust on. I'm beyond thrilled. I know I said it 100 times, and when I get excited, I speak really fast like I'm doing right now. So, yeah, now it's time to find a place to put all this stuff until I can get to the auto hobby shop this weekend. Oh, and yeah, you best believe this stuff's probably gonna stay in my house because my garage is still wrecked, so I don't wanna bring that back out there and get everything dirty. But come on, look at that, guys. God, that looks so good. I actually have some chemicals from Chemical Guys that I'm actually going to polish this up. So whenever the suck comes out, it should just wipe right off whenever I wash the car. Alright, so I did go ahead and open up the box that has all the couplers and the gasket. So I'm going to lay it all out here for you, just so you can kind of get a look for it. That obviously belongs to that. And you get three flanges. So that's what all comes in the box to help you bolt everything up. I felt obligated. I still need to show you just in case you get the same package. You're going to get the same thing that I got. Oh, I love it. Saw, dude. Insert like this, but I'm definitely digging it. That is freaking awesome. That's right. Size does matter. Let's get it.
It's rap pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that this is my calling.